To add a Mastercard gift card to Apple Wallet, start by making sure your device is compatible with Apple Wallet and that you have the latest version of iOS installed. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone, which can be found on the home screen or in the app library. Next, tap the plus sign in the top right corner of the screen to add a new card. Select the option to add a card. Then choose the credit or debit card option. Since a Mastercard gift card is not a traditional credit or debit card, you may need to select the option to add a card manually. You will then be prompted to enter the card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. The card number is typically 16 digits and can be found on the front of the gift card. The expiration date and security code can be found on the back of the card. Once you have entered the card details, tap the Next button. You may be prompted to verify the card with the issuer, which can be done by phone or email. Follow the instructions provided to complete the verification process. After verifying the card, you will be asked to agree to the terms and conditions of using the card in Apple Wallet. Review the terms and conditions. Then tap the Agree button to continue. Your Mastercard gift card is now added to Apple Wallet and can be used to make purchases in stores, online, or in apps. To use the gift card, simply open the Wallet app, select the gift card, and authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. It is also a good idea to keep track of the gift card balance, as you will not be able to use the card once the balance reaches zero. You can check the balance by visiting the issuer's website or by calling the customer service number on the back of the card. Overall, adding a Mastercard gift card to Apple Wallet is a convenient way to make purchases and keep track of your gift card balance. By following these steps, you can easily add your Mastercard gift card to Apple Wallet and start using it right away.